how to go raw vegan or even high raw vegan in 2023. Thrive, live abundant, and have the best year ever. Look at her down there. So let's get straight into it. How we can thrive on a raw vegan diet, even if you're looking at going high raw. The first thing I want to share, don't overcomplicate eating well, eating healthy, going raw or high raw vegan, or even just going vegan, but try and get yourselves more whole, under-natured foods in your body so that you can feel and look absolutely incredible all year round. Get rid of the addictions, get rid of the eczema, get rid of all these chronic issues, get rid of the depression, the anxiety, get rid of so much and thrive. Keep it simple. Do not overcomplicate it. In nature, it is simple, and that's what we need to keep thinking about. Simplicity is the key. Foods, fruits, vegetables. If we start to reprogram the mind to focus on simple meals, variety over time, not in a meal. When we're having too much of variety, then that's where we can start getting greedy. We start these addictions, we want more, there's never enough. We're never satisfied, it's never good enough. So if we keep to simplicity and really focus on the simple foods, the more our bodies will crave, the more we'll enjoy just the simplicity. And that's what takes me to number 2, is focus on being here, being in the moment right now. The more we be in the present and be mindful, the more appreciative, the more calmer, the more peaceful we are, the more foods we're going to choose that are going to love us back, nourish our cells, nourish the body, nourish the soul, nourish our mind. If we focus on just being present, if we can do that, your whole life is going to change, because we are going to appreciate just the smallest things. Like just recently, when I was doing less, I appreciated more. I enjoyed doing less, having less, putting less in my body. Over Christmas, I did a juice cleanse, a 7-day juice cleanse. I slowed right down. I was slower than I have ever been, or for such a long time, and actually achieved more. I achieved more inner peace, inner loving, calm, harmonious, loving self. And that's what we strive for. This is what we are looking for. So if we really focus on mindfulness, we'll appreciate the food around us, the people around us. We'll choose things that are more loving, more heart-centered and focused. And I wish that for you. Number 3 is choose foods and fruits, fruits and vegetables that are more hydrating, especially your fruits. Start your day with hydrating fruits. Just start to include more hydrating fruits such as watermelon, even mangoes, mangosteens if you live in the tropics like I do, pineapple. Even start your day or your first meal with a juice or something juicy, fruity. Start your day off, start your moment, start your first meal with the most healthiest, fruitiest, hydrating, delicious, high vibrational fruits. This is what is going to set the tone of your day. You're going to set yourself up for success, and you're hydrating, you're flooding your whole body with all these phytonutrients, these water, high, rich nutrient content foods like fruits. Number 4 is going back to number 2 about the mindfulness. Get yourself a meditation practice, because this will help being in the moment. It will also set your day up for success if you do it early in the morning. Meditation is more powerful when we haven't had so many distractions, so many thoughts. If we do it in the morning, when we just wake up, we are going to be free from the overthinking. We can start to really connect with ourselves, with the higher power, the connection, and you will just feel much more at peace and easier to fall into the meditation. It only has to be 5 minutes to start with. You may want to increase the practice, but start off with 5 minutes a day. Meditation, sprinkle throughout your day, is powerful, but definitely your bookends of your day, such as your morning, and if you can, just before you go to bed at night, just to pause and think, reflect, and just be present. Number 5, you have to stock up 100% with all the healthier foods, the fruits, the vegetables, the nuts and seeds. You've got to stock as much as you can in your fridge, in your kitchen, so that you are not tempted to go for foods that you have chosen not to have. So you're going to choose fruits, predominantly vegetables, nuts and seeds, and you can have an abundance of those in your kitchen. Number 6, as a bonus, just a little extra one, I want you to praise and be thankful for your body every single day, for what your body does, what it's capable of doing. You know, we put our bodies, our mind, our soul through a lot of things. So let's be thankful for this beautiful vessel that we are in, that allows us to do the things we love, to be able to do absolutely anything we truly want to do. I truly believe when we condition, when we put our minds to something, when we nurture ourselves, when we love ourselves, when we think of self-positive, self-serving thoughts, when we give back, when we do the utmost best, then we can achieve anything. So I want you to be thankful for this body, this mind, this soul, this spirit that we have. Okay, my loves, I hope you enjoyed this video. Nice, short and sweet to start your 2023. I am so excited. I've got some really excited interviews coming up. Don't miss out on those. It's going to be from a lot of deep healing, trauma, to more of the deeper work of, you know, this whole matrix. I will also start tapping into the mind, the mindset a lot more. I really am so passionate about the minds behind these incredible people that have overcome so much with the strong mindset. Obviously the food is the foundation, but what mental toughness do we need? What self-love practices do we need? I've shared some throughout this channel. I'll continue to share more. I hope you have the best ever 2023. Be magical, be your best you have ever been, because you are incredible. You can achieve whatever you desire. I do apologize for this, it's so bright. I love you all. Please comment down below what your favorite takeaways are, what you're doing already, what are you excited about for 2023, what is gonna be the intentions for this year, what are we going to achieve, what are we going to nurture. Thank you so much for being part of this journey. Be, feel, and stay Rawlicious.